Hi there everyone and welcome along to the video. Today I'm going to be looking at storage in my small workshop. I'm here in a single car garage. We're about 4 meters by 2.5 meters. So not much space and lots of stuff to store. Looking into my options and the best way to store things around here, I came across these, which are actually wine boxes for handing wine bottles as gifts to people, and realised that they'd be quite good at storage. What I wanted to build was a frame, a carcass to stick them in. And essentially be able to treat them as drawers. So, hope you enjoy the video, hope you maybe get something from it. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. So I started off by modelling the two boxes that I was going to get in SketchUp. There's a single wine bottle box and a 2-bottle box there. This enabled me to come up with a framework that I liked to put the boxes into, the right number of single boxes, the right number of two-way boxes. This enabled me to create a cutting layout on the 2 sheets of 8x4 ply that I was planning on using. Now, although I could cut down the pieces on my contractor style table saw at my home workshop, I do have access to this beast of a machine at my work, who were very kind enough to let me use it, which meant I could rip down all the pieces to rough size. They're all slightly oversized here, so I could finish them up once I started measuring stuff. So having laid the boxes in to temporarily do a check on the width, you can see that I'm about 10 mil short on the width there. I suspect that's just discrepancy in the wood. So using some bits of card and some bits of cloth tape, I was able to widen each box by just less than 2 mil, which by the time we put it all together, you can see now fits a whole lot better. I was then able to use a bit of CA glue and a bit of activator to position the next row of dividers, being very careful not to glue the boxes in with them. So with the addition of a shelf to this piece and the use of a pin gun to attach that down, that gave me a setting point for all of the dividers. And the process from there was simply to move the boxes with spacers up a shelf each time, adding in the dividers and continue to pin them all the way to the top. So whilst all the sanding's happening, I thought it was worth discussing a wee bit more about these wine boxes. I could of course have sat and made all the drawers for this, but the reality is I'm still very much a beginner woodworker, and this gave me a really quick solution. Over time I could replace each of these wine boxes with individually crafted drawers, and that's something that I probably will look to do. So the next job was to get some fascia on it. I could have left it as it is, it's perfectly functional, but I thought might as well make it look a little bit prettier. So I've just got some standard white wood from the local DIY shop. Here, just measuring it to size, approximately, and getting it cut down. Using the bandsaw here to rip it into thinner lengths. I could have done this on my table saw, but it's not very accurate. I find I get better cuts off the bandsaw. And now it's time to make it look pretty, and for that, we're going to burn it. Well, there we go folks, that's a completed unit here. I'm really pleased with how this has turned out. I think it's going to be great in terms of storage in the workshop. What I'm going to have to resist is the temptation to label them all as MISC or other. But this should add some decent storage. There's enough room next to it. If I wanted to add a second one at some point I could, or if I just want to stick 41 bottles of wine in my workshop, then that works as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love it if you guys would find me over on Instagram, subscribe to the channel here. I'm hoping to put out more videos depending on the feedback I get from this one, and check out my Etsy store, which is linked off the Instagram. Thanks for watching everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.